I guarantee you'll have never had a trade offer like this before. I collect wire clamps. Now, why do I collect wire clamps? I collect wire clamps because we use a lot of irrigation here at Highland Hill Farm to water our trees and shrubs, and we always need wire clamps. Plus, when my boys go out on jobs, they sometimes have to splice into water systems to, bring water to a new section of a customer's yard when they're planting their trees. So we use a lot of wire clamps, and we just never seem to have enough of them. So here's the following offer I'll make you. I'll give you $1 towards each tree and shrub for each wire clamp that you bring me. I don't care if you bring me 1 or 1,000. If you work for a wire clamp business, man, you're in luck. But if you don't like that trade, how about this one? How about bringing me 25 wire clamps? I don't care the size, just like these here and here, any size. And you can go hunting here at Highland Hill Farm for the day. We have plenty of places where you can go hunting for deer, rabbits, turkey, doves. Just don't shoot my fox. I like the foxes because they eat the rabbits and mice. So that's my unique wire clamp trade for today. And just give us a call at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313 in Fountainville. We're at 215-651-8329 to effectuate your wire clamp trade. Thank you.
If you have questions about trees and shrubs, give us a call at Highland Hill Farm at 215-651-8329 or email us at bill@highlandhillfarm.com. If you like this video, I hope you subscribe, and please go to the subscribe button and subscribe to our videos. Thank you. Have a nice one. Bye-bye.